Hello everyone, I am back again, but this time with my other brand, The Active Story. Basically, this brand is of my daughter, Ishita Gupta. She is a graduate, she's a dual graduate basically I should say, from Fashion Institute of Technology, New York. She did her fashion designing, and then from National Institute of Fashion Technology, New Delhi also. She has created a wonderful garments, sleevewear and activewear. We have a very less brands in India about activewear. She feels that every woman who believes in self-love, who wants to love herself, will love everything. They are the most beautiful women in the world. They should keep fit, healthy, and they should always be very happy. So she has created a huge range of activewear and a sleevewear clothing. Her designs are made by her only, and especially the sleevewear prints. She has developed those prints also. She has developed that sleevewear prints also by herself. So they are basically her unique prints. You don't get those type of prints into the market. Now I'll show you one by one her prints, some of our designs. You can go on her website. Her website is www.theactivestory.com. So you can find the entire collection over there. You can contact her on 9717681068. Her name is Ishita Gupta. It's her brand, but basically I'm showing her today. I'll take the camera a little closer so that you can see it properly. Then I'll show you. This type of a night suit, you can see this is a tribal print. This has a shirt. This is of a viscose satin, but it is breathable and natural. It has a pajama. That is a black color pajama with a lining over it. See, this is a print. This print is developed by her only. She has developed this print. This is a Russian silk. This is a night suit. This is a summer wear night suit. It is breathable. It's very soft. It's cozy. You will love this. You will try to wear it in the day also and during the night also. See, this has a pajama, and pajamas also had little bit of work below also. See, this full length pajamas. If you want, we can alter it according to your choice and taste. First I am showing you about this sleeve wear. See, this is a wrap type of a night suit. It goes this way, and there is a belt also. So you can just tie a belt. There is a hook. You can do this and then this. This is made up of a viscose satin. Here is the another design. This design is also in Russian silk. This design is also made by her. This is just like a black color. This is just brown, maroonish brown color, and that was a black color. These night suits are ranging from 3500, I should say basically 2700 to 3500, but at present we are giving a 15% discount on the entire range, and the shipping is absolutely free. We are trying to give more into it. Sometimes we are giving a free mask also with this, some coaster also with this. So it depends ki where it has to be shipped, and it takes the time accordingly. You see, this pajama is with this. It has something different, a striped pajama, to make it so that during the daytime also you feel it good, comfortable. These are so good, so cozy that you won't see. I don't want to get out of it. See, this is a pajama and this is a shirt. This is a pajama and this is a shirt. This is also again a wrap type of a shirt. And these tops you can use it in a going in casual wear also. These are so good, so comfortable कि it doesn't seems कि ये नाइट सूट जैसे हैं. आप इनको दिन में अपनी ट्रैक्स के साथ या वैसे पिजामे के साथ आप वैसे भी पहन सकते हो. और ये वाला विदाउट स्लीव्स है, so it's more comfortable. Basically these are of satin, but still these are breathable. They are very much soft, cozy and very comfortable. See, this is again a set. This design is also developed by my daughter. You can see this and this. There is a tie also type. This is a belt. If you tie this, you see It looks very, very beautiful. These fabrics are exclusive, these prints are exclusive, and these designs are, I should say, are exclusive. There is one more, like a blueprint. You can see this also has a tie. In this blueprint we have two designs, one tie and one normal night suit. This is of satin, but basically these are breathable and these are very good comfort. We have few designs in old one, which was initial of our collection, which we launched last year in August, September. Most of the designs are on 50% off. If you want to check, you can check on the FB page also. The FB page is also by the name of The Active Story. We are on Instagram also by the name of The Active Story. And these Sweet Dreams, you can go anywhere, check out the collection on the website, anywhere. And if anyone wants anything to be altered or anything specific, you can just message us on my number also. My number is 9818007909, or to her, Ishita Gupta. Her number is 9717681068. I'll show you now the activewear. Activewear, she has taken out a full range of yoga pants, track pants, then swimwear, bralettes, everything. I'll start with something with swimwear. You can see this unique design of swimwear. Her collection is going on to some designer stores in Ahmedabad and Goa also, but due to lockdown, everything is at home now. Few consignments are in the transit, so you can understand this. This is a swimsuit. This is the shorts, running shorts, yoga shorts. You can wear it. We have some shorts in the sleeve wear also. Basically they are under production because now only from 2 days she has opened this apna production house. She has her own manufacturing unit, so we can alter it easily. We can deliver it, whatever requirement is up to you. See, these are track pants. See, this embroidery, if you can see, she has done herself. This is a handmade embroidery, पर ये चुभेगी नहीं आपको कहीं भी. This won't tickle or this won't hurt you anywhere, because see, this is, you can't see any thread out of here, but this is done by her only. And you can see these track pants. These are so comfortable. You can wear it whole day. You won't get sweat. These are dry fit track pants. This is a new latest collection. You can see here also she has done some embroidery. You can see this. It has a line, black line here, and this side she has done embroidery. And on the, this is net, so that you don't get sweat normally while running or while walking or while doing this. On the stomach area we get it very sweaty. So she has tried to use this net so that it becomes more comfortable, and the elastic is so good that it won't hurt you at all. This design, this is the most selling design at present because everybody likes the color. This is dark color and some unique with the prints she has painted, and every track pant has a pocket with a zip. So you can see this is a zip. I will just show you. See, this is a zip. So that you can keep your phone, your money or anything out. All the track pants come with a zip, with a pocket with a concealed zip. See, this is again another design. This has and on the lower side it has a net, and on the upper side it also has a net. It has two colors, one this and one black color. Basically it has three. It was having three colors, white color also, but white color is almost sold. But if still anybody wants it, on the She Connect family I can get it done for them. So we have limited sizes left. So if anybody is interested, please do let us know, because most of the products we are giving on 50% off, rest on 15% discount, and shipping is also free. Sometimes with the night suits, especially, not sometimes, I should say, with the night suit I am giving mask also free, and with these track pants we are giving a coaster free. So you can see this is a belt. You can see this. This comes around your waist, so it holds you. And this is a embroidery. This is a machine embroidery which she has done it to give enhance to this track band. This is very, very soft, very comfortable. See, this has a pocket also, like this. This is very, very soft. See, this is a bralette. These are padded bralettes. You can wear them. We have a net tops also. If you want, we can make a net top above this. We have a huge collection, but it was not possible for me to take the entire collection down here. So I have taken maximum out of it, and we have 2-3 designs in bralette also. Our entire range from sleeve wear to active wear starts, the t-shirts are starting from 1400 or something. You can check out at the website. Most of the t-shirts at present are on the sale also. You can check them out. 2-3 designs in night suit are also on 50% discount. So you can have a look at them. You can contact me anytime. Again, I'll tell you my number 9818007909 and my daughter's number Ishita Gupta. Her brand name is The Active Story. You can check at the Facebook page, Instagram, or on the website. Prices are mentioned there. 15% is on the entire range, whether it's a new collection or it's an old collection. And some of the products we are having a 50% sale. Shipping is free. I don't know till when. Actually shipping इतनी महंगी भी हो गई, लेकिन फिर भी we want that this brand should reach each and every girl who loves, every woman who loves. So I am being a positive. Thank you, Anju ma'am, for again giving me this opportunity, to me and to my daughter, for building this brand. Thank you so much, guys. Please contact us, and love to hear that. Thank you.